Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Design with Lomis. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out with any update or any of my recent updates. Meanwhile, today we are going to be diving into an exciting tool for graphic design, the Pixellap application. This tutorial will guide you because it's a step-by-step guidance through everything you need to know on how to get started. So grab your device and let's jump into the world of Pixellap. Now, before that, it will be wise to know what is Pixellap and why you should use it. Now, Pixellap is a user-friendly graphic design application that allows you to create a stunning visual right from your smartphone or tablet. It is packed with features like text editing, 3D text, shapes and various effects that make designing as easy as a pie. Even if you have never done it, for I believe with this guidance you will get to know more about it to enable you to run your own project. Now, I also want us to learn another thing or to put some things into consideration. It is also wise to know why you are using Pixellap. Now, there are several reasons why Pixellap may be your go-to app for graphic design. One, friendly interface. The interface is quite friendly in the sense that the font and the text, you can easily manipulate it using your fingerprint. Besides, it's easy to comprehend actually. One other thing is the versatility. You can create everything from social media posts to posters, logos, church flyers, party flyers, etc. etc. Another thing is the accessibility. Now, Pixellap is available in Android and iOS. Now, that's even making it more easy for everyone to use it. One last thing is cost effective. Now, this is the reason why I love it so much. It's cost effective. It is free to use with lots of features available without any cost. Offline, you run your package. Now, what you will learn in this tutorial, first to begin with, is downloading and installing the app. There's an easy and a quick way to set up the application ready for use. Another thing is exploring the user interface, like familiarizing yourself with the layout, tools and options that are available. Now, one other thing is creating your first design. We are going to create our first design, you and I will guide you step by step on making a simple yet appealing graphic, right, like the one that is before you. Now, we are going to also talk about the editing text and adding effects, how to customize your text and incorporate special effects for a professional use. Lastly, saving and sharing your work. I will also guide you on the tips on how to export your design and share them on social media, so that you can make them come smarter and bolder. Now, one last thing. Here is the tips for success. As we move along, you should have this in mind that without practicing, I will keep emphasizing, without practicing, you cannot play around the app. You get me? You cannot really play around. You have to practice consistently for you to stay creative. You understand? So don't be afraid to experiment different style and design. You can also seek inspiration. Check out other creators for news ideas and techniques. Like they say, no man is an island of knowledge. In conclusion, by the end of this tutorial, you and I would like you to know how to navigate Pixellap application. You will also be confident in at least creating your own unique design. So let's get started. Make sure to keep your smartphone ready and follow along with me as we unlock the creativity potential of Pixellap. Don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and leave your question in the comment section below. Now